It's a bright, sunny day in the jungle, and little Panda wakes up with a big smile. Panda, excited. Yay! Today is Father's Day. But what should I do for Daddy? Hi, Elephant. What can I do for my daddy today? Elephant, deep, kind voice. Make him a card with hearts and colors. Great idea! Panda, laughing. Oops, I painted my nose too! Monkey, make banana pancakes. Daddies love those. Panda, yummy, let's try. Panda, uh-oh, maybe I need more practice. Daddy, you're the best. Better than all the rest. Happy Father's Day, Daddy. Panda gives him a card and hug. Daddy Panda, smiling. This is the best gift ever, my little bear. Sometimes the best gift is just love, a hug, and a happy heart.